Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to download and play Granny Recaptured. First, open Steam on your PC and sign in to your account. In the Steam search bar, type Granny. Make sure you select the official Granny game. This is the original PC version available on Steam. Buy the game if you do not already own it, then download and install it on your computer. Now open your web browser and go to Game Jolt. Search for Granny Recaptured. On this page, look for the version created by Buttery Stancakes. Download the Granny Recaptured zip file to your computer. When the download is finished, go to your Downloads folder or the location where the file was saved. Right-click on the zip file and extract it using your preferred extraction tool. After extraction, open the new folder that appears. Inside the folder, look for the Granny Recaptured application file. Double-click on it to start the game. In many cases, the game can run on its own without needing Steam to be open. If the game does not start or shows an error, make sure you own the original Granny game on Steam. Open Steam and keep it running in the background. Do not close Steam. Then try launching Granny Recaptured again from the extracted folder. Thanks for watching.